Death is the only certainty in life. Or is it? Meet the immortal jellyfish. When it gets old, sick, or injured, it doesn't die. Instead, it sinks to the ocean floor and reverses its aging process. It transforms its adult cells back into baby cells, effectively starting its life all over again. Technically, the same individual could live forever. While we look for the fountain of youth, it's already swimming in our oceans. Is this the ultimate cheat code for life? Subscribe to Quick Facts Lab for more mind-blowing secrets of the deep.